My name is Julie Loyd, and I'm a physician assistant at CVR. So PAs are medical professionals that treat all different types of disease. They can work in primary care, surgical subspecialties, rural, any type of setting that you could be living in. And it depends on where you work as what you do. PAs at CVR diagnose and develop treatment plans for superficial venous insufficiency, lymphatic disease, and deep vein thrombosis. Many PAs perform visual sclerotherapy for spider veins, as well as other procedures to treat superficial venous insufficiency. The role of PAs at CVR is definitely quickly evolving. It's an exciting time to be part of CVR as we lead the nation in excellent care of venous and lymphatic disease. CVR has given me many opportunities to grow as a clinician and has supported the advancement of the PA profession. I am very thankful for my career at CVR. I would like to say Happy PA Week to all my fellow PAs at CVR and across the nation. Thank you so much for all you do to improve the health and well-being of our patients you care for.